You've always fried fish the wrong way and didn't know it. If you fry fish at home like this, by tossing it straight into the oil, you're doing it all wrong. This way, your fish won't be crispy, and you'll end up splattering oil all over your stove. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the crispiest fish in the world. All by using water. That's right, water. Here I have about 14 ounces of tilapia fillet. But you can use any amount and type of fish you like. Let's start by seasoning our fish. Here, I'm going to squeeze half a lime. I'll add a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of turmeric, a little lemon pepper, and finish with a pinch of salt. But of course, you can season it according to your taste. But if you want to try this way, I always make it at home, and it turns out great every time. Then just mix everything well to combine the ingredients. Once that's done, let it marinate for at least 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'll show you the secret to our fish's crunchiness. You'll take another bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a cup of cornmeal, and a pinch of salt. Then just mix it well. Now here's what we'll do. Go ahead and take the well-seasoned fish and coat it in the flour and cornmeal mixture. Make sure it's well coated on all sides so that it gets nice and crispy. And now comes the big secret. You'll have a container of water ready on the side. So completely submerge the fish in the water, then take it out. Wait for the excess water to drip off. As soon as it stops dripping, put it in the oil. I'll do it one more time to make it clear. Take the well-coated fish and dip it into the container of water. Take it out and wait for it to stop dripping. Once it stops, just place it in the oil. And what's the advantage of this? As you can see, I can get my hand almost close to the pan and not a single drop of oil splatters. This helps keep the stove clean, as it doesn't get all greasy. And the main thing is that this process makes the fish extremely crispy, and I'll show you. Here, our fish is ready, and look at this. It's delicious and perfectly dry. I'll run a fork over it, and just listen to that crunch. Amazing, isn't it? So make sure to try this at home. It's definitely going to be the tastiest and crispiest fish you've ever had. That was today's tip. I hope you liked it.